Why is it so crucial to test well water? The answer lies in the fact that well water, unlike municipal water, doesn't undergo regular testing for contaminants. This can potentially expose households to harmful bacteria, heavy metals, and chemicals. Therefore, it's essential to test well water regularly to ensure it's safe for consumption. Begin the testing process by first identifying what to test for. A complete water analysis typically includes tests for bacteria, nitrates, pH levels, and specific conductants. Depending on the location of the well, it might also be necessary to test for certain chemicals or heavy metals. The next step is to choose a certified lab to carry out the tests. Contact SoftPro Water Systems to choose the proper tests that are completed through a certified lab. The lab will provide a sample collection kit with detailed instructions on how to collect a water sample. Always collect the sample before any current water treatment system, and before the water enters the home, closest to the well you can draw the sample from the better. Before collecting the sample, run the water for about 20 minutes to flush out the system. This ensures that the sample reflects the water in the well, not just the water sitting in the pipes. Next, fill the sample container without touching the inside of the cap or the container. This prevents contamination of the sample. Once the sample is collected, it needs to be kept cool, but not frozen, until it's delivered to the lab. It's best to deliver the sample to the lab as soon as possible. Most labs prefer to receive samples within 24 hours of collection. After the lab has completed the tests, they will send a report detailing the results and recommendations of what the best treatment options are. This report will indicate if the water is safe to drink or if there are any contaminants present. If contaminants are found, it may be necessary to treat the water or find an alternative source. To summarize, testing well water is vital to ensure it's safe for consumption. The process involves identifying what to test for, contacting SoftPro Water Systems to order the proper certified lab test kit, collecting a sample, and then waiting for the results. If contaminants are found, it's crucial to take the necessary steps to address the issue. Remember, the health of those consuming the water depends on the quality of the water they drink.